It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Good news guys, sekarang kita ada buat giveaway YouTube channel saya tepat 1000 subscriber. Saya akan percuma 3 biji hamara ini. Harap guys tolong like, share dengan subscribe YouTube channel saya. Cara tepat helmet ini boleh cek kat bawah description box dengan PM Instagram saya atau Facebook page. Thank you.
What these people can just okay, I'ma need to find a flow. Feel like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I'ma catch whatever by the toe. You know I am like an aristo. I'ma go and I'ma go. I just wanna grow, I wanna grow. High up in the mountains in the snow. Yeah. Swear I'm feeling higher than a crow. No way. Ask them what the colors say below. 0 to 100 when I slow.
I'ma just get it to go, taking it out of the stove, out of the vault. Killing this shit is my fault. I'ma be getting the car, getting back up when I fall. Felling me out when I'm chasing the ball with all of my dogs, like in the dark. I'ma just punish you children, what? No, banish them all, fuck. I'ma go ahead and switch this month. Underdog getting this shit, I'm right. I'm insane, you saying I'm right. Gonna go pop and jump the gun. I'ma go Phoenix like the Suns. I'ma go down and run it up. It ain't over till it's done. Kick this bitch just like a punt. Once you need it, yeah. Buy it, then receive it, yeah. Give it, then receive it, yeah. Energy is beaming, yeah. And profit, I'm master, no novice. I'm just being honest, cause I always progress. Your promise, my worst shit, and my worst shit, your best, bitch. Look, yeah, high up in the mountains in the snow. Yeah, swear I'm feeling higher than a crow. Yeah, ask them what the colors say below. Yeah, 0 to 100 when I slow. Look, high up in the mountains in the snow.
million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
Never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?